Hi everyone, so I'm back today just with a little freebie that I've got for you. So you've seen me use these little envelope things, so I've made some up and just added some decoration to them. You'll find this over on my coffee shop, so I'm just going to show you quickly. Hopefully there's no barking or anything. Dogs are barking all day. So you could print two to a page or whatever. Sorry about that. One of my tools was needed. My heat gun. Anyway, yeah, you can find these over on my coffee shop. They are in the freebie section alongside a lot of other freebies, and also you can, I've got a 20% link for obviously getting 20% off anything in my shop. Journals, digitals. So I'm just gonna, you could fancy these up even more if you want to. I just thought I would show you. I normally coffee dye them, but I'm not going to do that. So they're slightly different. The backs of them are slightly different, as you can see. And also, I'll show you in a minute. That, I made a right boo-boo. I've done another video on this, but I'll mention it again because I feel completely not a prat. So I'm just going to tear just a couple of little bits, and I'm going to like squish them about so that it kind of looks like, it is actually old. Can do the same. We can. Yeah, I've got 5 journals, and it's only for today, which is Friday the 27th. Is it the 27th? Let me look. Yep, of June. That I've put in the 5 of them together so that they can go as a bundle. But if they don't go, I'm just going to relist them separately. But there is 20% off of them as well. So if you want to check them out, when you hit the link, it just shows you everything that's 20% off. But it's 5 decorated journals. They would have been like £170, but I've put them at 100. I'm going away next week, so I'm trying to like get stuff gone. Yeah, stuff gone. Because I want to get it posted before I go. If not, everything's going to be on a hold till I get back, and that stresses me out. So there we go. And then you can put things in them, obviously. Like, I'm in the middle of doing that little French themed journal at the moment. See, it's opened. You can tuck things inside. So there you go. It's my little freebie, and like I said, you could add like some washi tape or some more stenciling maybe to the front. Up to you. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.